Paw. Yes. Paw. Good.
Here we have Hudson practicing his nail handling. We are asking him for his paw and then holding with two goods, good, and then releasing with a yes and rewarding. This helps him understand that we need to continue to hold the paw. He'll be rewarded. And then we're going to let go. This is the start of how we train dogs to get their nails trimmed. Hudson has some nail trimming trauma and is very reluctant to it. So this is the beginning of fixing that. So we take that practice of paw, the command paw, and we then use it in a different scenario with the scratch board. The scratch board is literally a board with sandpaper on it. And what we're teaching him is to paw at the board and scratch it, which inevitably are going to grind down his nails. This is kind of like a backdoor approach to getting a dog desensitized to having his paws handled while grinding them down so that his paw pads can hit the ground. We're encouraging him to slide his paw down. And we want to mark once he's slid his paw all the way down. So all I'm doing is going through the motions of asking him for paw, and then he's putting his paw, I'm moving my hand, he's putting the paw on the board, and then I'm kind of letting him get frustrated and rewarding once he's slid his paw off the board. That way we get that scratching motion.
Yes. Hudson. Paw. Yes. Scratch. Scratch. Okay. Yes. Paw. Come on. Yes. Paw. Yes. Good job. Ready? Hudson. Paw. Yes. Good. Good. Good boy. Paw. Yes. Yes. Paw. Hudson. Yes. Paw. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Yes. Paw. Yes. Paw. Yes. Good job. Paw. Yes.